Okay, in this video we shall be looking at how to create unlimited Telegram account. Yeah, we shall be looking at how you can create multiple Telegram accounts. So if today happens to be your first time, don't forget to subscribe so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now, without wasting much time, let's get started. Now, in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store. Now, once you open your Play Store, search for secure VPN. So search for secure VPN. If your secure VPN is not updated, you need to make sure you update your application to the latest version over here. Now, once you have updated your secure VPN, make sure you open your secure VPN and connect to this particular VPN. So open your secure VPN and you can see checking network settings. So just wait as it is loading over here. Now click on connect. And once you click on connect, you can see connected. Now, once you are connected to this Wi-Fi, VPN, all you need to do is to go back and open your Play Store. Once you open your Play Store, search for receive SMS online. There are many, so I'll recommend this one. So just wait as it is loading. So you need to download this particular one. And if you're already having it but not updated, you need to make sure it is updated to the latest version over here. Now, once you have updated your app, open receive SMS online. Now, once you open this app, just wait for it to load for the servers. For the numbers over here. So you can see receive SMS and receive email. Now we are going to use, we have UK, US, so you can choose UK number over here. So select the one that you prefer and click on copy. So you need to make sure you select the number and then click on copy as well. So once you have copied your number, the next thing you need to do is to open your Telegram application. So open your Telegram, and once you open your Telegram, you can see your phone number. Now click on country over here. The most important thing is to select your country. So you need to make sure you select the country over here. So because we selected UK number, we have to select UK and paste the number over here. Make sure you select the country of the number and the country must be the same. So if you selected UK number, you need to make sure you select UK here. If you selected US number, you need to make sure it is the same over here. Now the plus 44 is already there, so let's delete this one. Now click on next, and you can see, is this your correct number? Click on yes, and once you click on yes, go back to receive SMS online. And you can see refresh page. Click on refresh page. Now once you click on refresh page, you can see the verification code over here. Now use this verification code to verify your Telegram account, and with this you can create unlimited Telegram account, as many as you can. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more.